Hi, boys and girls. I know that some of you have been doing a great job and you understand Google Slides, how to use them and how to turn them in, but I'm still getting quite a few questions about them from other students. So if you already know, you can just close out of this. But if you're having some problems and you're feeling like it's a little bit difficult and you're just not sure if you're doing it right, I wanted to show you step by step what to do so that it will be working for you and you will feel good about it. The first thing you need to do is you'll log into the Google Classroom. But before you do any assignments on Google Slides, you have to make sure that you have the Google Slides downloaded. So if you're on a computer, you can just go to google.com and you can sign in the search bar, you can type in Google Slides or Google Slides extension, and you will have something pop up that you can then download. It only takes just a minute or less, and it will go onto your computer. It looks like the icon that you're looking at in the background of the screen. It's a yellow rectangle with a little white rectangle and a smaller yellow rectangle on the middle. If you are on a phone, a tablet, or an iPad, you'll need to go to the Play Store or the App Store, type in Google Slides in the search, and then it will come up. And if it says to install or download, you'll need to do that. Once you've done that, you can now work on the slides and you can turn them in. It will make it a lot easier. You won't need to worry about printing something out or writing every single thing down. So that's the first step. Once you get done with that, you'll sign into the Google Classroom with your information. And when you get inside there, you will then look for the classwork tab. You'll notice that on my screen up near the top, and it's underlined in a green line. When you get inside there, all of the green circles with a little, looks like a clipboard with writing, are on the left-hand side, and those just show you each assignment. I try to put the day of the week so that you can complete them on that day, but by all means, you don't need to. You can come on 3 days a week and maybe do a few assignments at a time. It's up to you what works best for your schedule and with the other people in your household. Once you click on the green button, or you'll click on the words, for instance, in this example, it says Monday, there's a dash, and then it says reading Mama's birthday present. You can click on those words. When you do, it will open up your assignment. For this one, I actually clicked on a different assignment. It was the Fact Family Houses. And when you get inside of there, the reason I clicked on this is because some work is just that you're going to listen to a video or that you're going to play with something, but not necessarily turn it in. But for the assignments that you need to turn in, you open them up and you click on the lines or the boxes or the spaces. And when you do, I have always created a text box there for you. And a text box is this blue box with little squares around the outside edge. When you click on those, sometimes you have to double click, which is a 2 quick taps. You will get a little line and it will blink. That's because you can then type a number or a word, whatever your answer is. So I've done a couple to show you: the 6, the 4, and the 10 at the top, the 4, the 6, and the 10 on the next line. And then I typed in a 10, a 6, and then I just showed you an empty box where I could then type my 4 because I'm doing my number models here for a Fact Family House. Once you click on that and you get your work done, maybe you make a mistake and you need to erase it. Just go back to that number or whatever it is that you made the mistake of typing, double click, which is again 2 clicks very quickly, and just hit the backspace. If you would rather, you can always go to the top of your screen and there is this back button. And this is your friend. It will just undo what you did wrong. So if you delete a box by accident, just click undo and it will put the box back for you. So this is a great button to know about. Once you're done with your work, it automatically saves. You do not need to hit any save or save as. You just come to the top where the number 2 is here, where you see the arrow in the number 2, and you click this X, and it will close that tab of your screen. Once you do that, you're ready to turn in your work. But to turn it in, you have to go and click again on the assignment. So you're going to click on the little green circle or the words next to it. And at the bottom, before you go in to do any work, you're going to see this View Assignment. When you click on View Assignment, it will bring you to this page. And this is where you turn in your work. Now, if you've not done your work, don't hit Turn In yet. But if you have done your work, now it's time to turn it in. So when you turn it in, it automatically lets me know you've done your work. And I have a little message that says, I can go ahead and look at what you've done. That's how you turn in work. It's pretty simple, but there's a few steps. And once you practice it once or twice, you're going to be really good at it. Once you turn your work in, I get it. So I go and I look at it. If you've done everything correctly, I'm going to put a little virtual sticker on it. It might look like this good stuff one, or it might be something different, but there will be a little sticker if you've done it all correctly. If you have made any mistakes, I have taken the time to leave you a comment. If you turned it in on the slide, I will write the comment right on your worksheet. But if you didn't, if you took a picture and tried to send it to me, I'll leave a comment over where the red arrow is showing you. Then you can look at what you've made the mistake on or what might not be quite right, and you'll just see what you should have changed. After that, I will then submit the work to you. So where the green arrow says, then I will return the work to you so you can see your sticker or comment. You do not need to return it to me again. I'm not asking you to fix anything. I've done that for you. So you can just look at it and review it. Don't worry about turning anything in at that point. Once you're done with that, you've done the assignment and it's all taken care of, you're done. So now that's how you turn in an assignment. I hope that helps. If you still have questions, please send me a message, an email, or a comment, and I will return a response to you. But hopefully that helps and you understand it a little bit better. Thank you.